All right, so here are the answers for the practice problem. I'm not going to review that. They both happen to be tan, and you had to switch your O, A, and H. You should have gotten these two. Last problem is this application. So this is the last part of your review. And again, you can probably solve this without even reading the problem, so don't freak out about it, but we are going to read it. A flagpole that is 45 feet high casts a shadow along the ground that is 52 feet long. What is the angle of elevation A of the sun? Round your answer to the nearest degree. So imagine like the sun's up here, it's casting the shadow from the flagpole. Okay, and so we want to figure out, okay, what's that angle of elevation means? Like, what is that angle from looking at the ground to looking up, past us, the pole at the sun? That is the angle of elevation there. So that's what we're trying to find, is this A. We know how far we are from the pole. We know how tall the pole is. So this is going to be a inverse trig function because we're trying to solve for an angle. And we have two sides. So first thing we got to do, let's go ahead and look at our right triangle. We're going to label O, A, and H. Here's our O. From this angle, here's our H, and here's our A. Okay, what are we going to use? Sine, cosine, or tangent? So we go back and think about that. SCT, which one do we use? Well, we have the O and the H, the O and the A, so that is again going to be tangent. So quite a few tangent problems with this. That's okay. We're going to use the inverse because we're trying to solve for the angle. We don't know the angle. So tan inverse of O over A, which would be 45 over, sorry, it's a bad 5, 45 over 52. Oops, 52. And we're going to go ahead and put that in our calculator, and that'll give us A. So tan inverse of 45 over 52. So let's clear all this out. Go to, remember in your calculator, it's second tan of, I always forget, 45 over 52, sorry. 45 divided by 52. Okay, close our parentheses. 40.87, which rounds up to 40.9. So A equals 40.9, and I want you to use the degrees because it is degrees. Cool, there you go. That's your review. Make sure you got all of this. Make sure you feel comfortable. If you haven't done the practice problems, go through and try them again. Review this stuff. Because again, you only have a few opportunities left. That's opportunities to lower your grade, opportunities to raise your grade. Boost your 2 points to get to the next GPA level. If that's a, B plus to a A, or A to a A plus, or whatever it might be. Cool. I will see everybody on Monday. Have a great weekend.